Citizens living in municipality areas expressed outrage against the irresponsible actions of Bishalgarh Municipal Corporation. Repeatedly, a garbage truck has been lying on the side of the national highway adjacent to Bishalgarh motor stand area for several days. The rotten smell of the garbage in the car is polluting the entire atmosphere in the area. It has turned difficult for the pedestrians to breathe. Besides, people residing in the nearby areas are facing extreme hurdles to stay at their homes because of the foul smell. Reportedly, the municipality has been urged to transport the garbage from the area several times. But till date, the concerned authorities have not taken any action in this regard. The people living in the area as well as the people passing through the area showed immense anger in this regard. According to them, the car full with rotten garbage is lying in that place since long time, but the concerned authorities is not paying any attention to this.
এই তো বাইপাসের মুখে যাওয়া মোটর স্ট্যান্ডের মুখে বাইপাসটা যাওয়া
কতদিন ধরে এরকম অবস্থা করে রয়েছে?
এক সপ্তাহ হইব।
উদ্বোধন কর্তৃপক্ষ কোনো কিছু ব্যবস্থা নিচ্ছে না এটা প্রতি না?
এখন পর্যন্ত কোনো ব্যবস্থাই নিচ্ছে না। এটার থেকে যে ময়লা আছে, ময়লার যে গন্ধ, এমনি দেশের যে করোনা পরিস্থিতি, এই পরিস্থিতিতে মানুষটা এমনিতে ভয়ে আরো আতঙ্ক হয়ে গেছে। আরো এটা কিন্তু ময়লার গন্ধে আশেপাশের লোকজন থাকতে পারতেছে না। আজকে এক সপ্তাহের উপরে এটা করে দিচ্ছে।
The locals further complained that even though regular taxes are collected from the Bishalgarh municipality, but necessary services are not provided to the people. Drains and roads are also not cleaned properly in due time. Many places do not even have street lights. Mosquito infestation has also increased in the area. They demanded the municipal corporation authorities to take immediate necessary action in this regard and clean the filthy surroundings of the Bishalgarh municipal corporation areas. Bureau Report, Halabol.